clean water goes into the house, and they collect this waters. And this boat is carrying jewels, and the people take jewels from the boat. And that's called the trading. And this is the well. They use the pulleys to carry this thing up and down. And then they use this. And that's the end. Would come down onto the roof of the house, and then a lot of times flat roofed houses were known to fall down, but the Indus Valley civilization people created a simple but neat mechanism where the water would go down onto a bridge or pipes to the crops. And today, without this, we would not have anything. We wouldn't have gutters or recycled water sprinklers without the civilization. So a lot of clean water comes from the IBC River into the houses, into the wells. And when they want to get rid of the dirty water, they put it here. And then when it would go out the drain into the pit, where it'll get transferred away from the city.
And we need to make some improvements. Like instead of clay, we should have used wood.
Or something to make it more sturdy so the clay wouldn't get wet or break.